Students, hope you are doing well. In this video, we will discuss about questions answers of chapter 7 that is conservation of plants and animals. इस वीडियो में मैं कुछ क्वेश्चंस को हिंदी में भी समझाऊंगी. ओके? So first question is fill in the blanks. First fill in the blanks. A place where animals are protected in their natural habitat is called dash. Answer sanctuary. Second fill in the blanks. Species found only in a particular area is known as dash. Answer endemic species. Next fill in the blanks. Migratory birds fly to far away places because of dash changes. Answer climatic. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन द फॉलोइंग्स. इस क्वेश्चन में दो टर्म्स दिए होंगे, आपको उन दोनों टर्म्स का डिफरेंस बताना होगा. ओके, सो फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स आर वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी एंड बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व. फॉर दिस you have to draw two columns. In first column you have to write about wildlife sanctuary and in second column you have to write about biosphere reserve. So for wildlife sanctuary, areas where animals are protected from any disturbance to them and their habitat. For biosphere reserve, large areas of protected land for conservation of wildlife, plant and animal resources, and traditional life of the tribal living in the area. Now next two terms are zoo and wildlife sanctuary. So in first column you have to write points for zoo and in second column you have to write points for wildlife sanctuary. So first point for zoo, zoo is the place where animals are kept away from their natural habitat. Now first point for wildlife sanctuary, areas where animals are protected from any disturbance to them and their habitat. Now second point for zoo, animals are provided with proper shelter, care and food. Now for wildlife sanctuary, animals live and feed themselves in their natural surroundings. Now next two terms, endangered and extinct species. इन दोनों टर्म में बच्चे बहुत कंफ्यूज होते हैं, तो मैं इसको वन लाइन में समझा देती हूँ. एंडेंजर्ड का मतलब हुआ कि ऐसा स्पीसीज या ऐसा एनिमल जिसका नंबर अब कम होने लगा है, और एक्सटिंक्ट स्पीसीज का मतलब हुआ कि ऐसा एनिमल या स्पीसीज जो अब नहीं पाया जाता है. ओके, नाउ आंसर. In first column you have to write about endangered species and in second column you have to write about extinct species. So for endangered species, animals whose numbers are diminished to a level that they might face extinction are known as endangered animals. Example, tiger. Now for extinct species, animals that no longer exist are called extinct species. Example, dinosaur. Now next two terms are flora and fauna. इन दोनों टर्म में भी बच्चे बहुत कंफ्यूज होते हैं, तो मैं एक टिप देती हूँ जिससे आप लाइफ में कभी भी फ्लोरा या फौना को नहीं भूलोगे. ओके, तो यहाँ हम लोग स्पेलिंग देखते हैं फ्लोरा का. फ्लोरा के स्पेलिंग में एल है और प्लांट के स्पेलिंग में भी एल है. अब यहाँ फौना की बात करते हैं. फौना में दो ए है और एनिमल में भी दो ए है. अब हम लोग आगे देखेंगे कि इनका आपस में क्या रिलेशन है. ओके, now answer. In first column you have to write for flora and in second column you have to write for fauna. So first point for flora is all plant species in a particular habitat are called flora of that area. For fauna, all the animal species found in particular habitat are called fauna of that area. अब आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि इनका आपस में क्या रिलेशन है. Now second point, for flora, the greenery on the earth is due to flora. Now for fauna, members of fauna are directly or indirectly depend on flora for their food requirements. Now question number 3, discuss the effect of deforestation on the followings. यहाँ कुछ टर्म्स दिए हुए, इन टर्म्स के बारे में बताना है कि डिफॉरेस्टेशन पर इस पर क्या इफेक्ट होता है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट टर्म इज वाइल्ड एनिमल्स. Answer, wild animals who live in forest are rendered homeless due to deforestation. As a result, they die. Next term, environment. Now answer, environmental balance is disturbed due to deforestation and lead to global warming as CO2 traps the heat rays coming on the earth. The increase in temperature on the earth disturbs the water cycle. Now next term is villages. Answer, without trees, village people can't fulfill their daily needs like fuel, wood and other food items. Also, due to reduction in fertility of soil, they cannot cultivate their crops. Now next term is cities. Answer, there is no direct effect on cities by deforestation, but undesirable changes in climate such as hot summer, irregular rainfall, drought or flood may affect cities. Next term is earth. Answer, due to deforestation, fertile land gets converted into desert. Erratic climatic changes such as global warming, disturbance in seasonal cycle, etc. occurs. Groundwater level also goes down, causing water scarcity. Now next term is the next generation. Answer: they will be unable to get pure air and water. They will not get a clean and green environment. Now question number 4. What will happen if we go on cutting trees? कह रहा है कि क्या होगा यदि हम लोग पेड़ को कट करेंगे? Answer: if we go on cutting trees, it would be difficult to live on earth. Ecological balance would be disturbed. Life on earth could not exist without trees. Now next question, what will happen if the habitat of an animal is disturbed? कह रहा है कि animals के habitat को यदि disturb करेंगे तो क्या होगा? Answer: if the habitat of an animal is disturbed, the animal would be rendered homeless and it would die. This would disturb the ecological balance. Next question, what will happen if the top layer of soil is exposed? इसमें कह रहा है कि soil का top layer यदि exposed होगा तो क्या होगा? Answer: if the top layer of soil is exposed, it would lead to desertification. This soil has less humus and is less fertile. In this way, fertile land gets converted into deserts. Now question number 5. Answer in briefs. First question, why should we conserve biodiversity? कह रहा है कि हमें biodiversity को क्यों बचाना चाहिए? Answer: we should conserve biodiversity to prevent the species from becoming extinct and to maintain the food chain and food web of ecosystem. Now next question, protected forests are also not completely safe for wild animals. Why? इस क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है कि protected forest wild animals के लिए भी completely safe नहीं है. क्यों? Answer: protected forests are also not completely safe for wild animals because people living in the neighborhood encroach upon them and destroy them. Now next question, some tribals depend on jungle. How? कह रहा है कि कुछ tribals जंगल पर depend करता है. कैसे? Answer: tribals and other people living around the jungle or forest depend upon forest to fulfill their domestic as well as industrial needs. Now next question, what are the causes and consequences of the deforestation? कह रहा है कि deforestation के क्या-क्या कारण है और क्या-क्या उसका परिणाम है. So answer, causes of deforestation. First point, to get wood for timber and fuel. Second point, to obtain forest products. Now consequences of deforestation. First point, increase in temperature and pollution level on the earth. Second point, rainfall and the fertility of soil decreases. Now next question, what is red data book? Red data book क्या है ये पूछ रहे हैं. Okay, now answer, red data book contains a record of endangered species. Now next question, what do you understand by the term migration? Migration term से आप क्या समझते हो? Answer, migration is the phenomenon of movement of a species from its own habitat to some other habitat for a particular time period every year for a specific purpose like breeding. Now next question, in order to meet the ever increasing demand in factories and for shelter, trees are being continually cut. Is it justified to cut trees for such projects? Discuss and prepare a brief report. कह रहा है कि फैक्ट्रीज और शेल्टर के हाई डिमांड की वजह से कंटिन्यूअसली ट्रीज को काटा जा रहा है. क्या ये जस्टिफाई है? डिस्कस करो और एक ब्रीफ रिपोर्ट बनाओ. Answer, no, it is not advisable to cut trees continuously for such big projects. Forests are the habitat of several organisms, including wild animals. We should plant at least as many trees as we cut. Trees prevent soil erosion and natural calamities such as floods and droughts. They increase the fertility of the soil and help conserve biodiversity. The destruction of forest will disturb the balance of nature. Hence, forests must be conserved by ourselves. Now question number 7. How can you contribute to the maintenance of green wealth of your locality? Make a list of actions to be taken by you. कह रहा है कि आप अपने लोकेलिटी में ग्रीनरी को कैसे मेंटेन करते हो? जो आपने किया है उसका एक लिस्ट तैयार करो. Answer, first point, by practicing horticulture and floriculture. Second point, by practicing afforestation. Third point, we can protect trees and provide water to them. Fourth point, all the residents should be taught about the benefits of trees. Fifth point, we should spread awareness about disadvantages of cutting the trees. Now question number 8. Explain how deforestation leads to reduced rainfall. कह रहा है कि explain करो कि कैसे deforestation से rainfall reduce होता है. Answer. We know that deforestation disturbs the balance in the nature. Groundwater level gets lowered and pollution increases due to it. It also increases the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. This leads to global warming as carbon dioxide traps the heat rays reflected by the earth. The increase in temperature on the earth disturbs the water cycle and it may cause reduced rainfall. Now question number 9. Find out about national parks in your state. Identify and show their location on the outline map of India. इस क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है कि आप जिस स्टेट में रहते हैं वहाँ के नेशनल पार्क के बारे में बताइए और इंडिया के मैप में उस लोकेशन का आउटलाइन दिखाइए. So answer. Its answer will vary depending upon state you reside. Following image is just for reference. It's not exhaustive. Okay. Now question number 10. Why should paper be saved? Prepare a list of ways by which you can save paper. कह रहे कि पेपर को क्यों सेव करना चाहिए. एक लिस्ट बनाओ जिससे आप पेपर को सेव कर सकते हो. Answer. Paper should be saved because it is made from trees. And for producing paper, large-scale deforestation takes place. Also, a lot of water and various chemicals along with electricity is wasted during the manufacture of paper. Then, there is also the problem of paper disposal, that is waste or used paper disposal. Now, these are the ways to save paper. Firstly, we should reduce the usage of paper as much as possible. Secondly, we should recycle all the paper and paper products. Thirdly, we should try to reuse the paper and paper products. Now question number 11. Complete the word puzzle. In this question, there are 3 questions for down and 3 questions for across. Okay. So first question for down is species on the verge of extinction. Answer is endangered. Okay. Next question. A book carrying information about endangered species. Answer. Red Data Book. Okay. Now third question. Consequence of deforestation. Answer. Deserts. Now for across. Species which have vanished. Answer. Extinct. Now next question. Species found only in particular habitat. Answer. Endemic. Now last question. Variety of plants, animals and microorganisms found in an area. Answer. Biodiversity. That's it. यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कर दीजिएगा और आगे के वीडियोस को देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा.